Hello everyone, welcome to another storytelling episode of Meet Charles Show. I'm Lady J. I'm going to be your host for the next few minutes. Today, I will talk about the nice and popular Mamfe people of Ghana. Dear, if you are seeking to know spiritual facts, cultural history and traditions of tribes, empires and nations from around the world, then this is the right content for you. Kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit notification bell for more videos. Ever wonder why Ga Kenkey was a taboo in Akuapem-Mamfe? Let me just you this before I tell you why Ga Kenkey was a taboo in Akuapem-Mamfe. Mamfe is a town in the Akuapem North Municipal District of the Eastern Region of South Ghana. It is bordered by a monochrome and Akuapem. According to Wikipedia, Mamfe is one of the Guan-speaking towns in Akuapem. The people of Mamfe are also called the Akans of the mountains due to the location. The rise of the town can be traced back to the 15th or 16th century when a group of Guans, the La Nation, began to settle in the area. The Mamfe people celebrate Ohum Festival, which is usually held in November or December. Ohum is one of Ghana's many festivals, attracting large crowds from all walks of life, including the diaspora. It was a taboo for the people of Akuapem-Mamfe in the eastern region to eat Ga Kenkey on Sundays and Mondays until the mid-90s. The prohibition first affected only Sundays but was extended to Mondays to prevent the people from eating its leftovers, if any. On these days, the chief and his people still couldn't eat Ga Kenkey. It was an age-old custom within the area. And to abolish it, sacrifices had to be made. This has really lightened the load on the townsfolk. You might want to ask me, what caused the taboo to exist? In the 17th century, elders of the community performed some rites to fortify warriors of the town before they went to war. At that time, the elders of the community felt eating Ga Kenkey could render the warriors vulnerable, hence the ban. The taboo in Mamfe was for the protection of the entire community, not just the warriors. However, over time, courtesy Nana Ansa Sasraku III and his council of elders, this age-old custom has been revoked to enable the people of the community eat the meal. Yes, it is a fact that it took the installment of the chief of Mamfe Akuapem, Nana Ansa Sasraku III, to abolish this taboo few years ago. Nana Sasraku, who doubles as the Chidamhene of the Akuapem traditional area, advocated a reformation of this custom, which allowed the consumption of Kenkey on Sundays but not on Mondays. Nana Sasraku declared the reformation of custom during an asafosa, a festival of communal drinking celebrated by the people of Mamfe, and it was received with great excitement. You can imagine the applause and the joy that greeted that announcement. You could understand the people of Mamfe were really suppressed. The people of Mamfe have finally agreed that residents could eat kenkey on Sundays. It's a favorable resource, much to the delight of the people of Mamfe. Why shouldn't the people reform their tradition? I ask. Would you say the chief and the traditional council of Mamfe couldn't uphold an old tradition? Kindly drop your comments and let's talk. I believe since Mamfe is no more that small community and have people who were non-indigenous living amongst them, that should change. Unfortunately, because of this old taboo, some people have left Mamfe for Accra and other places. Furthermore, Mamfe has a secondary school which has attracted many people with diverse preferences to the town. I believe it became necessary to revisit the custom and find ways to further soften the prohibition, because it is the prerogative of every chief to ensure the well-being and satisfaction of his people. A centuries-old taboo is abolished in Mamfe, and residents of the town can now sell and eat Ga Kenkey on Sundays without any apprehension or fear. In fact, there will be no repercussions if all rites are properly performed to avert any misfortune. But do you know about the delicious Ga Kenkey meal, which until recently was tabooed by the people of Mamfe? Oh my God! Ga Kenkey is a meal made from corn, molded into balls and wrapped in corn husks. Oh geez, imagine some nice kenkey balls with shito and fish on any day. Oh Charlie. Though it is a staple food of the Ga Adangwes of the southern part of the country, it is sold on almost every street corner and eaten by people from all walks of life. This oral story about Mamfe is true. Kindly drop your comment and catch you soon for next stories. Thank you.